Most people think obstacles appear to block their path. But what if they exist for the opposite reason? Long ago, there lived a wise king who believed something few people understood. He knew that the true strength of a kingdom was not its army or its gold, but the character of its people. One morning, he decided to teach his sons a lesson no book could ever teach. He ordered his guards to place a massive stone in the middle of the main road, a road used by everyone in the kingdom. Then the king and his sons watched quietly from a high tower. Soon the first travelers arrived, wealthy men, riding comfortably, surrounded by servants. When they saw the stone, they stopped immediately. They complained, they blamed the king, they cursed the road, but not one of them tried to move the stone. They simply turned back and chose an easier path. Later, tired villagers approached. They paused, looked at the obstacle, and whispered prayers. Some believed it was a test from above. Then they walked away, leaving the stone exactly where it was. Even a brave knight passed by, saw the danger, thought someone should be informed. So he rode away, responsible in thought, but not in action. As the sun began to set, a simple farmer arrived. His clothes were soaked with sweat. His body was exhausted, and his back carried a heavy load. He stopped in front of the stone and took a deep breath. If I don't move this, he thought, others will suffer tomorrow. The king cannot watch every road. We all share responsibility. Slowly, he placed his load on the ground. With both hands, he pushed. His muscles shook. His breath grew heavy. Still, he did not stop, and after one final effort, the stone rolled away. At that moment, something unexpected appeared beneath it, a small pouch filled with shining gold coins. Before the farmer could react, the king stepped forward. "These coins are yours," the king said calmly. "You were the only one who understood that obstacles are not meant to be avoided. They are meant to be faced." The king turned to his sons and said, "Remember this. The obstacles in life do not block our path, they create it. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger, wiser, and worthy of respect." That day, the sons learned a lesson no classroom could ever teach, and the farmer learned something else. Sometimes the reward lies exactly beneath the obstacle you choose to face.